You need to watch this if you struggle with making money online. Making money online isn't some magic button, but it is possible, and affiliate marketing is one of the most real ways to get started, even with zero experience. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can earn your first £100 online. Hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. This is video 1 of a 6-part video course. Alright, so you're brand new to affiliate marketing? No problem. We've all been there. Basically, it's like being a digital salesperson. You recommend other people's products or services, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. The best part, you don't need to create your own products or handle any logistics. Now, the first thing you need to do is choose a niche. This is just a fancy way of saying pick a topic you're interested in. Could be anything from fitness to gaming to making money online, like we're doing right now. The key is to be passionate about it because you'll be creating content around this niche. Once you have your niche, you need to find affiliate networks to join. ClickBank and Digistore24 are great places to start, especially for beginners. They have thousands of products in various niches, so you'll definitely find something relevant. Next up, you need to find a hot product to promote. Look for products with high gravity scores on these platforms, as this indicates they're selling well. But remember, you also want to choose something you genuinely believe in, something you'd recommend to a friend. Since you're just starting out, we'll focus on free traffic methods. Let's talk about ClickBank, one of the largest affiliate networks out there. It's a goldmine for finding digital products to promote, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find winners. First, head over to clickbank.com and create a free account. Once you're in, navigate to the marketplace and start browsing categories related to your chosen niche. Let's say your niche is make money online, just like this video. You'd click on the e-business and e-marketing category. Now you'll see a ton of products, each with its own gravity score. This score is crucial. It basically tells you how well a product is selling. The higher the gravity, the more sales it's making. Aim for products with a gravity score of at least 50 or higher. It means people are buying it. But don't just rely on gravity alone. Click on a product that catches your eye and check out its sales page. Is it well designed? Does it have compelling copy that grabs attention? Would you buy this product based on the information presented? Next, scroll down and look for the affiliate page. This section usually provides you with marketing materials, email swipes, and even banner ads you can use to promote the product. The more resources they provide, the easier your job will be. All right. Now let's move on to Digistore24, another powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world. Just like ClickBank, Digistore24 has a massive marketplace filled with digital products, but it also includes a wide range of physical products as well. Head over to Digistore24.com and create your free account. Once you're logged in, click on Marketplace in the left-hand menu. Here, you can browse through different categories or use the search bar to find products related to your niche. One of the cool things about Digistore24 is its focus on evergreen products. These are products that are always in demand, like things related to health and wellness, wealth building or personal development. These niches tend to have a longer lifespan, meaning you can promote the products for months or even years to come. When evaluating a product on Digistore24, look for a high conversion rate. This indicates how many people who clicked on the affiliate link actually ended up buying the product. A high conversion rate means the sales process is working and you have a better chance of making commissions. Another thing I love about Digistore24 is the emphasis on testimonials, real people sharing their real results. This social proof is incredibly powerful and can make a huge difference in your conversion rates. Now, let's talk about funnels and how they can help you. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to build these effective funnels. A funnel is simply a series of steps that guide your potential customer towards making a purchase decision, and the best part? You can create effective affiliate funnels without needing a website. One simple funnel you can use is a landing page funnel, which is very straightforward. This is where you send your traffic to a dedicated page that's designed to capture leads and warm them up to your offer. You can create stunning landing pages for free using tools like Google Sites or Canva, which are user-friendly. Keep the design clean, mobile-friendly, and focus on the benefits of the product you're promoting to your audience. Another effective funnel is a bridge page funnel, which is also quite popular. This is where you send your traffic to a page that bridges the gap between where they are and where you want them to be. For example, you could create a blog post or a video that provides valuable content related to your niche and then subtly introduce the product as a solution to their problem. Here's a done-for-you funnel layout you can copy. Let's say you're promoting a ClickBank product about dog training. You could create a free lead magnet like a 5-step guide to stop your dog from barking and offer it on a landing page. Once someone opts in, you can then redirect them to the ClickBank product's sales page for the final step. Remember, the key to a successful funnel is to provide value at each step, ensuring customer satisfaction. Now let's talk about traffic, the lifeblood of any online business. The good news is you don't need to spend a fortune on ads to get people to see your affiliate offers. There are plenty of free traffic strategies that are working incredibly well right now. One of my favorite methods is YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face. You can create valuable content around your niche using free tools like Canva or InVideo. Think top 10 ClickBank products for weight loss or honest review of Digistore24 product name. The key is to provide real value and subtly weave in your affiliate links in the video description. TikTok is another goldmine for free traffic. Create short, engaging videos related to your niche and include a call to action in your bio, directing people to your affiliate offer. For example, you could create a quick video showcasing the benefits of using a language learning app you're promoting on Digistore24. Don't underestimate the power of Reddit. Find subreddits related to your niche and start engaging in conversations. Become a valuable member of the community by providing helpful advice and insights. When the opportunity arises, you can subtly mention the product you're promoting as a solution to a problem someone might have. But remember, be genuine and don't spam. Authenticity is key to building trust. All right, so you've made your first £100, congrats. Now, how do you scale that to £1,000 per week or even more? This is where things get really exciting. One of the most effective ways to scale your affiliate income is through retargeting. Basically, you're showing ads to people who have already visited your landing page or interacted with your content. These people are already familiar with your brand and are more likely to convert into paying customers. Another powerful strategy is building an email list. Offer a valuable lead magnet like a free ebook or checklist in exchange for their email address. Then you can nurture your subscribers with valuable content and promote your affiliate offers through email sequences. AI is a game changer for affiliate marketers. Tools like Jasper.ai can help you create high-quality content at scale, write compelling ad copy, and even automate your email marketing. This frees up your time to focus on other areas of your business. So there you have it. A proven roadmap to start making money online with affiliate marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. The people who succeed are the ones who take action and are consistent with their efforts. Now, I want to hear from you. Which affiliate network are you most excited to try? ClickBank or Digistore24? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? What if I told you there's a hidden gem that many marketers overlook? Introducing your exact script here, the ultimate tool that can skyrocket your earnings and streamline your efforts. Imagine having access to a platform that not only simplifies your promotional strategies, but also provides you with exclusive insights and tips from top earners in the industry. With your exact script here, you can easily track your campaigns, optimize your performance, and discover high-converting offers with just a few clicks. It's like having a personal mentor guiding you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into your exact script here and unlock your true potential as an affiliate marketer. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get started. And remember, the key to success is not just working hard, but working smart. See you in the next video with more exciting tips and strategies to boost your online income.